Hi, Richard Muse here, Property Result Investments. Just thought I'd give you another update. You might be wondering, what's happening out in the property market in the northeast. Well, sometimes I usually say things start to slow down. Well, they haven't been slowing down for us at all. We've been getting some really, really good quality properties in through the doors, and one example I'm just going to give you is not our usual traditional buy to let. This was a buy, refurb and sell, or buy, refurb and keep. A lovely 3-bedroom semi-detached property in Hartlepool, in a good area of Hartlepool. Now, the vendor bought this a few years ago, decided to refurbish it to a pretty high standard, got so far through the works, and for various reasons, I think health reasons, could not continue, and wanted to just sell the property and be done with it and sell it quickly. Now, there's always a bank of investors who are interested in these type of deals, and this one proved very popular. Now, it had no bathroom in, it had a toilet in, but it was all boarded out ready. It's various places in the property that is all plasterboarded out, just needs skimming. Not a huge amount of work. I reckon £7,000-8,000 would finish it up to a really nice standard. Now, here's the thing, we sold this at 115,000 plus our fees. The comparables were shown, in that area, 140. So it was a nice opportunity for somebody, we felt. We put it up on the market, out to our investors, and we had 2 or 3 come pretty much straight away. One person put a deposit down, bought it, loved it, and lo and behold, a few days after, the next door property, obviously all finished, went up for sale for 160,000. Now, I don't know how to justify that, because that is a little bit over the top. There's a nice margin for somebody, so we make some nice money out of this. So it's not just buy to let properties we sell. We have, buy to refurb. So that's just one example. What else has been happening? 2 flats in Ashington, were on, I think, for 27,000. They've flown out the door, they've gone. We have been doing a lot in Hartlepool. We had another one in the Headland area, a nice 2-bed. It was vacant, the vendor moved to another property, wanted to sell it quickly. And we have somebody already coming to see that on Monday next week, and I expect that to sell pretty quickly. Also had another one, a lot cheaper, in the Headland and Hartlepool, a 2-bed flat. Really, really good location. We'll let out about £350 to £380 a month. Service charges about £600 a year. It does need painted and decorated, and some carpets down. That's really, really good value, really good yield for somebody. The next one was, obviously we had a nice property in Sunderland, a Masonette. Got a reservation on that. That was a nice property, all refurbished, tenant in, I think it was about a 9% yield, and it was about 15,000 below the open market value. So somebody's got a real good deal there. We had another one, I think I mentioned last time, in Jesmond, which is probably about the best area of Newcastle. A lovely 2-bedroom flat, freehold as well, although there's still a maintenance charge to pay, but it's virtual freehold, long leasehold, 999 years. That one has sold, again a nice 8% yield. I think it was about £100,000 we sold it. They're currently on the market with other agents, 120,000, 130,000. So some real good value there for somebody. So that's that one, and we've got properties coming in all the time. We've got an HMO I'm doing in Sunderland. We've got one of the cheap end properties in Hartlepool coming in at probably about 27,000. There'll be massive demand for that, and we're getting a lot of inquiries from sellers. So we'll have some great properties to sell, some nice opportunities out there for you, and please, if you're interested, get in touch. We will be sending them out on emails as we get them on a campaign, and you can respond to that straight away if you want. Just an update on our service accommodation in Brownie. That's doing very well, and it's starting to get bookings now. Not as fast as we want, but we're in difficult circumstances at the minute and conditions, but we know we'll get better. So that's the update for now. If you're interested in anything, take a look at our website. The properties are on there, see a selection of what we've got there. If you want to have a chat with me anytime, my number's below, no obligation whatsoever.